National institutions iyo
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Actually, the COE, controller exam is going on actually. So, yes, tell me.
Okay, as we have said that we represent for the voice of the
Yeah.
we are here because di hakane ka por ka pemerintah di kuat ban tip sapi ban kaliang ka VVP State Youth Wing nadu menem step ka port from Beijing ilawan shani support nei Grims ka daw hi bangiwan shani support nei Grims ban ya kendu ya i principal jong kani ka College of Nursing kabadon hang ni support nei Grims bat kumjuru ilayo ban ya kendu ya udin di ngilai kendu ya i principal menem step iba kerteng i tasi bat la klini i ba hatu na kaliang kini ki bapuli ya kanika BSc nursing ki don kam em ban le ya kanika need exam ti so far katkum ka jingtip ka jungi habidai bat kanit idai tang tu kiba puli jongka MBBS IPDS bat ki ayus terter te hakani kasni ka pemerintah akwa ban yuthu ipi bana kaliang hakani ka jela ka jungi hangni hapo nei Grims bana kaliang kani ka nei Grims nang ni napo ka college jongka nursing kila pelong ya kani ka counseling bat ka selection menta kasni nakamta kini ki list of shortlisted candidates in order of merit as per NEET UG 2026 call for counseling for admission to BSc Nursing course for session 2026-2027. But kay kaba nakaliang ka VP kejungi ngilap bah kani ka list kaba pemi ya kini ki kerteng jong candidate kumba kani ka list jong kini ka merit kidon kumba sanpulai ngut but hakani ka list ki babon hi kidai ki bri ki panabar ki bar jela te nakaliang ka jungi ni dap da ka jing songkhya ba ki bri ki jungi nang ni ki tribals mo